Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our current session focuses on classroom speaking tasks. I hope and expect by the end of this session you would have some understanding and knowledge of the nature and type of classroom speaking tasks. Well, my dear students, teachers plan a range of speaking tasks with various levels of demands and outcomes to give learners various opportunities to practice their spoken English when it comes to the L2 classrooms of English. Some of these tasks may require various learners to talk together in the form of groups or in pairs in order to arrive to a solution for the problem that is given to them. Others may simply require them to exchange specific information that they have. So basically it would depend upon the nature of the group. It would also depend upon the level of the knowledge in general and of the knowledge in specific of the language of this group of learners, that the task and the nature of task as well as its difficulty level would be decided. Mainly there are three types of speaking tasks that are used: communication gap tasks, discussion tasks, and monologic tasks. Well, as far as the communication gap tasks are concerned, these tasks and discussion tasks are given to the learners where learners interact with a partner or with a smaller group to convey information and viewpoint to achieve a communicative outcome. So mainly the information that is given to different people in the task or to different members of the group, the information is given in pieces to different people and there are gaps in the information, and through bringing all that information during a process of conversation and discussion, all these pieces of information are to be brought together to fill in that gap so that whatsoever is the piece of knowledge or information that could be understood. There are many forms of gaps in communication gaps tasks, and these include missing information or details which one learner will describe to the other, or one narrator will narrate to the other, or one person or partner in the group would explain to the other. In comparison, discussion tasks create an even more authentic context for speaking and interaction because learners share their personal views with one another. As far as monologic tasks are concerned, they require learners to present ideas, information, and views individually. As the very word monologic, the part mono, the part single refers to that. So, for example, they may give a talk, or they may tell a story, or they may make a presentation, or they may share a report. So this is the individual task that learner would perform in the classroom. Teachers can help plan different kinds of monologic tasks and vary the duration of the monologic tasks or the monologues according to the learning objectives and according to the level of difficulty of the classroom, according to the interest of the learners, and according to the needs and requirements of that particular learner or the group of learners in an L2 classroom of English.